Hello and welcome to JavaScript Evangelist. So in the last video, we learned how to use the ES6 methods for manipulating our cart. So basically we use ES6 method filter. We also learned about how you can merge the products. So this is basically to avoid the mutation. And in today's video, we are going to do something similar. So this is basically, instead of using filter, we are going to use a new method called findIndex. Okay, there is it's up to you if you want to go with the filter, or maybe if you want to go with the findIndex. The choice is yours. Okay, but I'm going to show you the new method. Let's first of all fork this existing code so that we'll have a new code for each video. So we have 03 React Redux shopping cart, and inside this, instead of using filter, I am going to use findIndex. Okay, which returns us existing product index. So this is going to be a number, and inside our if condition, we are going to check existing product index. So index can be 0. So we have to say if it is greater than or equals to 0. All right, and over here, we are going to, instead of without existing product, we are going to create a copy of our existing cart. So we can simply call it as cart products, and we are going to remove this. We'll just say slice. So this is like a quick method of creating a clone of existing array, but this is not mutation. Okay, so we are actually creating a new copy of our cart products. And over here, we are also going to find the existing product, which is, so we'll just copy this just for the sake of saving my time typing, is equal to, so we have this cart products, and at that particular index we have our existing product. Okay, simple as that. And over here we are going to keep the same, and we have this existing product. We are going to take everything from existing product but units. So we are going to update its units key. Okay, so existing product dot units plus the new product dot units. So we get the updated units product, and we are going to update it at this particular index. So we are going to overwrite the existing product at this particular index with the updated unit product. All right, and over here, instead of passing this array, spreading the array, this is basically the new array. We already have a new array, right? So we are going to copy this and we are going to pass it in. That's it. And let's see it in action if it's working. And I'm going to open a new tab for the preview. And if I say apples, if I say banana, and also you can notice in earlier video, whenever I used to press add, this indexing used to change. With this method, the indexing doesn't change. All right. And that's it from this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.